My dear students, we were learning how the management thoughts and the new management ideas were coming from the Japanese industry. Coming from Japan, but all the industries in Germany and US and Great Britain, even in Pakistan, were becoming aware of these methods and trying to implement them. So this became a quality movement. Without improving quality, without improving those requirements which are given by the customer, without improving the satisfaction level of the customer, you will not have an advantage in the market. This quality movement, let's look a little into history. Western Electric, an American company, a not scholar but an engineer, Schuhart, working there in the electrical and electronic systems in that company, Western Electric. It was a very well-known company in the United States. He came up with a statistical method in the 20s and 30s. What was that statistical method? That let's use statistical quality control. Let's have a variation analysis. Now, this variation analysis will be to measure what are the defects in the overall process. अच्छा देखें, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंडस्ट्री जो होती है ना, उसमें आप फर्ज कीजिए आप पीसीबी ले लीजिए, प्रिंटेड सर्किट बोर्ड. अब उस एक पीसीबी पर, और ये पीसीबी तकरीबन हर इक्विपमेंट में होता है, हर मशीन में होता है, आजकल डिजिटल मशीनें बनी हुई. तो एक पीसीबी पर आप कभी गौर से देखिए, कंप्यूटर खोल के देखिए, लैपटॉप देखिए, एक पीसीबी पर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स लगे हुए होते हैं. कहीं कैपेसिटर है, कहीं ट्रांजिस्टर है, कहीं रेजिस्टर है. सो मेनी ऑफ देम दे आर सोर्डिंग टुगेदर. Very, very important and typical job done by the electronic industry. So Schuhart, working there, came up with a statistical quality control variation analysis method. This method allowed adjustments to be made in the production process, which would reduce the number of defects and it will improve the efficiency. So this statistical quality control method was actually developed by Joseph Juran. And Joseph Juran was one of the Schuhart's assistant. But remember, Joseph Juran went to Japan, took his statistical quality control methods, and the Japanese learned how to control the quality through inspection and measuring and testing. Later on, remember, Edward Deming, who also at one point in time worked in this factory, was convinced by the quality control method, but he went one step further in movement of quality to introduce the quality assurance method. Let's bring in quality not only production, let's bring in quality in planning. Let's bring in quality in thinking. अब थिंकिंग और प्लानिंग दोनों का ताल्लुक वर्किंग से नहीं है. You're sitting on table and planning it, how you will do the work. So this interest in quality control and quality assurance, later on, it was taken up by General Motors. Western Electric, electronic and electric industry, one of the big one. General Motors, one of the big automobile. General Motors, Ford, Chrysler, तीन ही तो हैं वहां. So this statistical quality control method, again, had an interest by the Japanese companies. So once it was taken up by the Japanese companies, so Japanese companies introduced these methods and tried to implement them not through quality control, but quality assurance, and later on it becomes a quality management system because they involved, accepted quality as a philosophy. We will see further that how Joseph Juran's and Edward Deming's methodology gave us those management ideas which really introduced into quality systems, which brought in efficiency, productivity, and gave the Japanese companies a competitive edge. Thank you.